Get up here, guys.
The size of that bear.
I thought it looked nice, but
Oh man, good job.
see it, right?
Wow.
What a shot.
Pull this thing out.
Okay.
Stories. Messages flying back. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Let's hear the story.
First bear I ever seen.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh. Oh, good.
Right there. Come from my back and stopped right outside the window. I said, oh my God. Come out in front, stop one more time and start walking straight away from me. All I see is the ass end. Something happened, it turns broadside. Bam. Boom, down it goes. It went right straight down.
Really?
Flipping and flopping and screaming. Never got up, but it kept rolling and tossing and turning.
Really?
Then I went to pieces.
How many times did you get out of the blind?
About 4 or 5 times, in the blind, out the blind. I cocked the bow. I get another arrow, I get out, and then I'm thinking, I don't think this is a good thing to do. Because I can hear it screaming, but it stopped. Then I said, I'll take my stuff out. I get all my stuff out, I zip it. I ain't got half my stuff. Unzip it back. God, I'm excited. Jesus Christ. Oh, it was. And all that happened in about 5 seconds. You know, everything was bang, bow.
Yeah.
But,
That's the way to do it.
oh, God.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Exciting. And you?
I'm hooked. Oh boy. That was awesome. Yeah. That was really
Was
cool.
it?
Get one?
Yeah.
Who got
Oh,
one?
me. Yeah.
You did.
Yeah.
Coming to the bait?
Yeah, came
Yeah.
in the bait, come out on the other side of the bait, sneaking out. I just saw his nose stick out of the weeds, and I'm like, what is that? And then he come out, went into the dark stuff on the right and snuck around, gave my heart a minute to calm down, because as soon as I saw him, you know how you can just feel it?
Yeah.
Go, whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah.
And then he come around, and it slowed down, and then he started coming out, and I kind of calmed down and got it together, and yeah, he started licking the tree over there, and I didn't want to wait any longer.
You had a lot more time than
I was gonna
did.
watch, but I was like, this is not the night to watch.
I'm glad I didn't have the time you had.
You
Oh, it was
shoot him
awesome.
with a crossbow?